We are going to Shillong for a day. A day. Who does that? So my journey started with a 3-hour-long flight from Mumbai to Guwahati, where I edited, ate a tiny kati roll for lunch, read a little, and then finally landed in Guwahati. Met up with the crew, then we drove and danced and drove, and then we drove some more. Slept, woke up, slept again, and then we drove in the rain until we reached Shillong. 12 full hours later, we are here. Hello, Shillong. So yeah, I'm not nuts. I didn't travel all this way for nothing. We're shooting for Hot Streets, and tomorrow we're going to be shooting all day, which is why I said we're going to Shillong for a day. And yeah, it's going to be hectic, but I'm going to vlog and it's going to be fun. Okay, first up, working on today's video, which you would have watched by now, which is the Q&A. If you haven't watched it, I will link it here. And yeah, I'm super tired. I'm really hungry. It's dinner time now, so I think I'm gonna just order room service because I just don't feel like going down to the restaurant. And I'm gonna upload my video and I'm going to shower. Okay, video situation is not looking good. I have uploaded at least 4 or 5 times and it has failed. The Wi-Fi is really bad. But my dinner is here and I've showered, so that's some good news. I have The Bachelor on TV, and let me show you what I got for dinner. So I got some chicken momos. Wow, those look good, don't they? And something local. This is the pork pastenga. And obviously we have some tiramisu for dessert. So I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna try and upload the video, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Good night. Check out the view. And good morning. It is 5:30 in the morning and I am ready. My call time was 5:30. So I'm going to show you guys my look because I've never been this dressed up this early in the morning. So check it out. I don't know if you guys can see. There's not much light here, but I've got my new thigh-high boots, my cool jacket, and obviously an orange little sweater. Let's shoot. Check out the view. How cute are they? And how pretty are their skirts?
This vlog is about me.
And me as well.
And Sherry told us to say nice things about her. So she's nice, she's cute, she's friendly.
She's amazing. She's amazing. She's
yeah, so we're really happy. But
she's hungry 24/7. Okay, bye.
This is the cutest thing you're gonna see on the internet today. Tata! Oh, you're giving me a flying kiss. Thank you. So we are at Elephant Falls. I've been here before when I was shooting for GottaDoIndia, but it's a really pretty massive waterfall, but there's a long walk down. Let's go. So it is around noon. We've been shooting since 6 a.m. I have been up since 4 a.m. I haven't had any breakfast, and now it's time to have some lunch. We are at Cafe Shillong. I came here last time I was here as well, and the food is great. So let's get some lunch. I have found the perfect spot to shoot today's look. So I'm with these cool people from Shillong.
Hi.
Say hi.
Love from Shillong.
Make sure you follow them. What are your handles?
Jessica Ruth Canville. Norbiang. Yeah.
Follow them.
Yes, please.
अच्छा सिला दिया तूने मेरे प्यार का यार ने ही लूट लिया.
So we are at Ortiz Bazaar, which is like the biggest shopping area here, and we're gonna do some shooting and some shopping. And that's a wrap.
And it's a
So guys, we just finished a 15-hour shoot. Yeah, that is right. We started really early in the morning and we're finally done and we're back to where we started, and we are at Cafe Shillong for dinner again. Dinner is here and we've got lots of food. So guys, we're back at the hotel room and I'm more knackered than I was yesterday. I saw this bed yesterday and I was like, I need sleep. Well, today I really need sleep. It is like 10:30 in the night. I've had a long day. But yeah, tomorrow we have a 10-hour travel situation back again to Guwahati and Bombay, and it's gonna be a long day. So I'm gonna get some rest. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and comment below with some love. See you guys. Bye.